What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there this afternoon? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash it. All right, guys, we're back. I want to do an update for you for daily pay income. All right, that's just what I'm calling it, okay? You can go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, we want to talk about this today. Here's the secret. My thumbnail says, right? Here's the secret to what? How to make daily pay, right? So I want to show you one of the secrets. All right, how we're doing it. We want everybody to win. We've got live calls. We've got a proven system that's already been working. When I tell you, again, I keep saying it over and over. I hate to sound repetitious, but it's the truth. All right, I got it on my app, on my phone right now. We got an app that we use. You have to be added. Okay, I will give you my link when you sign up to add you to the group, okay? And you will see the community is amazing. Got the app on my phone right here. All right, and these comments are coming in like crazy where people keep saying, I just made another sale, I just made another sale. I mean, this is going on all day and all night long. All right, so it's a proven system that anybody, doesn't matter what your history is, where you came from, any of that, your age, okay, this system will work for anybody if you follow it. A 2-hour workday blueprint. You can work from anywhere in the world with your smart device, all right, and a Wi-Fi connection. So we just want to talk about that today. So I made a thumbnail. Here's the secret. So I'm going to show you on the inside what we got going on. I'm looking at my notes so I can stay on track, because I get all off track because this is good. This is exciting stuff. So I'm passionate about it. This is what I've been doing for years. Digital marketing, my number one way to earn online. All right. But I've discovered this new strategy, okay, that I've implemented. I was already in this program, but these strategies, the community, and everything that I'm learning is accelerating, okay, what I already know, right? I'm learning something every day, and it's giving me a structure to stay on point because I'm juggling quite a few different projects, and this will help me stay on point. All right, and we keep it simple, we keep it short. So if we could show you a way that you could earn, okay, daily pay with a 2-hour work day, wouldn't you be interested in that? And there's no monthly fees or expenses, okay? So it's going to be a one-time payment to get your digital product, so your membership, if you will. And then there's no monthly fees. And you're going to be able to earn payments over and over and over and over and over. All right? So let's look at some of my results so far also and show you some of the leads that are coming in. People are asking me for information. First of all, it's the end of the year, during the holidays. People want to make money. Folks want to make money so they can spend more money. And then there's people that just want to make money during the holidays. All right. Folks are getting ready for the new year coming in. They're looking for a business opportunity. They're looking for a change for 2024. They're like, hey, what I was doing, I don't want to do that anymore. I want to learn how to do this online, or I want to do this in addition to what I'm already doing. All right, so opportunities are endless and unlimited out here online. All right, so let's take a look at some of the results that I've gotten since I now have my funnel in place. I didn't have my funnel set up at first. I actually was just sending emails to my existing list I already have, making posts, all right, making videos, that type of thing. So I've got my funnel in place, and let's see what we've got. All right, let's take a look. Let's go. All right, I'm just putting this here to cover up folks' information. It's got their emails in there, so I'm just covering this up over here to the right. But if you look to the left, I'm in my dashboard, right? This is where all the leads go. Okay, when people go to my capture page, the copypastemethod.com. Okay, they go there, they say, hey, I want more information, so they have to put in their email address, and then we give them the information. And so far I've got 46 leads in there. Okay, I really just set it up because I had some glitches going on. So fully functional, actually, Friday, Saturday, somewhere in that area. I had to tweak some stuff. So 46 people have said, well, I got myself in there, 1 or 2 emails just to make sure it's working. But over 40 leads have come in. How am I getting that? Right? That's the question. How are you getting these leads? Okay, I'm not in people's inboxes bugging them saying, hey, look at my opportunity. Hey, I like your Facebook page, and the bribe situation, just so that we can converse. That's old school. I'm not in people's DMs. I'm not calling up friends and family, and I'm not going through my phone contacts, any of that stuff, right? So 46 folks as of right now as I'm talking to you, and this is growing, is saying, hey, I want more information. Let me see what you're talking about. They go there, they see the landing page with the video that is explaining everything, okay? Within, 10 minutes or so, something like that, right? So this is where I am. So let's go see, well, what am I doing? Where am I getting this information from? How am I promoting this thing? All right, let's take a look. So check it out. I log in. This is what I'm saying to you, okay? I'm just showing you this, and I'm going to show you the daily, community where we go to get our daily, basically 2-hour a day instructions, if you will. Daily method of operations. That's it. Daily method of operations. So I'm just showing you this part first. But right here, 30 minutes, we're going to talk to you about how to build your 2-hour work day, right? So I log in here, and all this stuff is in here. Good stuff, let me tell you. All right, so go here, check this out. But on a day-to-day basis, well, what am I doing? Let's go back here. Hang on. All right, so I get up, right? I say, oh, let me see what I'm supposed to do today. Look, daily videos. Now, when I say daily videos, these not drawn out, 1 hour, 2 hour, put you to sleep. No, they're short, 8, 10 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. You see here, we're on this 10K holiday sprint challenge. So each day, so day 1, so we're on day 12, right? So if we come down here, day 12, right? I just come here and I say, oh, let's see what we're doing today. What you need to know. I click here, day 12, what you need to know into the new week, right? And look, it tells me here, 5 minutes. That's it. It's going to tell me what's what. Okay. And then we've got some resources here. Attention. Now this right here, these are awesome. I've been using these, and this is what's grabbing people's attention. These right here, these hooks. Matter of fact, I used the hook in my thumbnail, right? On my thumbnail, what does it say? Here's the secret to making daily pay. Go back and look. Guess what? I got it from here. I surely did. Hang on a second. I'm going to cover these up because this is for the people that's members. All right. So, but if you look here, look, that's number 2. Here's the secret to blank. I filled it in with what I want, and I said to making daily pay. So we've got all these hooks. It's 30 in there. So when you go, well, I don't know what to say, we've got all that in here for you guys. I mean, I can't tell you how exciting it is. All right. And I am a marketer, digital marketer. I know how to come out here and make sales, right? And I'm excited. So I can imagine the people that's brand new, where they're coming here and had no clue and able to just follow steps and start seeing commissions coming in just like that. Boom, 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 boom. Right? So I got that hook from in our training. Okay? So do you think you can find 2 hours in your day? Okay, not 2 hours at one time. It could be 10 minutes here, 10 minutes here, 15 minutes here, 20 minutes here. Trust me, you can, because people are strolling on their social media, just looking at people posting food, doing whatever they're doing. They're being entertained, but they're not making any money. So why are you spending 20, 30 minutes strolling, right? Posting what you ate today, you went to do this, and then make any money. You could take that same time and do this and earn money. Get people to opt into your page because they're curious. What is this all about? When you throw a hook out there, right? So look at this. Let's just look at yesterday. I click here. Yesterday was day 11. Okay. And so look, 9 minutes. That's all it took. 9 minutes for me to go get some insight. Well, what should I be doing today, or talking about, etc. Right? This is it, guys. And it's a lot of good stuff in here. We got a calendar, tells us what's going on each day. This is where you want to be if you want to make money online. Period. You guys, yesterday, another payment that came in on Friday evening by me simply sending an email, which I got that email out of that training that I just showed you. I just went in there, copied it, sent it to my list of people that's already have been asking me for information, blasted it out, and I had a person sign up on Friday. Okay, and I read you guys that text. I'll put the link in the description of that video I made yesterday. Go take a look at it. All right, guys. So if you're interested in learning how to earn daily pay, simple. Okay, the simple way, the right way, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'm here to assist. I'm here to guide. We've got a whole community of over 5,400 people that's here to help as well. You can just go in there and type in the community, and everybody's so helpful. All right. So looking forward to working with you guys. Go check this thing out, www.thecopypastemethod.com. See you on the inside. Thank you for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Seasons greetings.